Oh, wait. Is he gonna be a superhuman to break out of. Yo! What's good, everybody? Welcome and welcome back. So, today we're gonna do another Big Bang reaction. So, my previous reaction was Bang Bang Bang. And, bro, trust me, that song was lit! Bro, the energy that is coming from that song, it's lit! It's giving you the great enticement, bro. It's hard to comprehend. You guys should understand, but it's hard to comprehend. Like, yo, okay. So this was another suggested comment that I should react to. Fantastic Baby. First timing of this as well. The K-pops are doing great. Okay, so why not check out some more? I mean, like, you guys has led me to be excited, so why not? I mean, like, there are a lot of music I should check out from you guys, so it will be my pleasure to be a part of the movement of the K-pop team and also of the Big Bang. So without further ado, let's dive in. Peace. Bro looks dope though. Guys, I ain't gonna lie. But the starting, it's giving me this electrifying feeling. Oh! Yo, the starting, bro. It's starting. Ironically speaking, look at this. Look at this darn place, bro. Like, this is how this song has been described now. Yo, it's crazy, man. It's gonna get even more crazier. Whole looks crazy. And the dude looks like the owl itself. So, what is this all about, bro? What is this all about? Like, oh, bro. Ah, yo. I am loving this, bro. Damn, bro. Why is this K-pop music feeling so good? They're kicking it. Bah, 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 bah. Yo. Dance. Okay. 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 This is good. This is music. Oh my god, yo. This is. Uh, no. No. What incredible music. What incredible performance. Yo, I mean, like, yeah, this is entirely good. But the entire production of this song, bro, it's too good, man. Too good. Okay. Okay. At this point, bro, I don't even know how to react, man. Like, oh my goodness. Bah, 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 bah. Sweet music, bro. Oh, sweet music, man. Yo, let's carry on. Ain't gonna lie, this video makes me feel fantastic. It's giving me that feeling, man. That feeling that I want to find, man. Like, yo, crazy, crazy, crazy. Baka, 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 baka. Point, at this point, music should be even more listened to at this point. Because you know why? It's my first time checking this music out, bro. And trust me, the feeling that this music is giving, bro, I can bet that the fans knows all these music are so good. So they introduced me and I'm feeling great because you guys are the best, man. You guys are the best, bro. Like, yo, as a Jamaican, I am feeling as if I'm in a K-pop momentum right now, bro. I'm feeling welcome, man. I think that we have heard enough. Something else surprising happens. Like how? Oh, these guys are way too say energetic. They stands in the middle, bro. When I say delivery, they stands in the middle. When I say cooperation, they stands in the middle. When I say teamwork, they stands in the middle, bro. Way too much good things are happening for these guys. These guys are way too incredible. Way too incredible. Bro, the music sounds so good. It's giving a positive vibe, bro. A positive feedback. Good. No way, man. The dances are way too phenomenal. Oh man, look at the characters here, bro. They are way too cool, bro. Clothing looks fantastic on them, man. Like every individual here, dressed differently, and trust me, every one of them look like a character from a cartoon, man, or from an animation, bro. They are so cool, man. Like, bro, I'm your biggest fan from Jamaica. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie, man. I ain't gonna lie.
Wow, fantastic, baby.
No, at the end is so cool. Everyone sitting as if they are kings in their own world, bro. And that was so cool. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, thank you so much for your suggestions. And if you guys have any more suggestions that you guys would like me to check out next for the Big Bangs, it will be my pleasure to give my 2 cents on it. So leave a like, subscribe, share the video to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.